to go on our paddling adventure. We're going down the Grand River. Say hi, Bonnie.
Yeah, we are. Hi.
And so it's going to be about 2 to 4 hours, depending on how much we want to actually paddle. But we're in this tube thing, which is kind of exciting. And I'm just twirling around because I'm not paddling anything.
Full circle.
All right, let's do this. For 98.5% of my life, and I can count on 2 hands the amount of times that I've actually been out on the water. So today I'm so excited to be out with Grand River Rafting in their turbo rafts, just floating down the river. We're paddling eventually, but right now it's really calm. Little campsite here. There's a picnic table, a fire pit, and we beached our boats for a little bit because we're a tiny bit wet and hungry. So snacks! There's a caterpillar on the camera. There he is. So after clearing some shallows where we had to actually get out of the boat to get past because we were for sure stuck, we're on the final leg, turning to the see the distance, and then after that is the end of the journey. Safe and sound and very, very wet. We got stuck in so many places because it's so shallow in September, but it was a lot of fun, and we had to bail twice because it's just too wet. Yeah, totally recommend doing it. It was a blast, and it was so easy when you don't really know what you're doing on the water, so I felt so safe the entire time, especially in the turbo rafts or tube rafts. Because they're all inflatable, and it was just, we weren't gonna sink, we weren't gonna tip, so it was a lot of fun. Do it!